When you're part of something that's growing, that's a lot better than when you're kind of in a stagnant place.
Yeah. What phase are you in right now? Why are you here at the conferences? What are you looking for? And where are you going?
We have 50 games we partnered with. We're doing 100,000 annual revenue. This is going to really change the future.
This is how deals are done.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech It or Leave It. I know it's been a while, but we are back with a few surprises today. Firstly, I'm joined with a mentor, a boss, and our wonderful CEO, Nikita Sachdev. She is replacing Lana because she has COVID today. But also,
I'm going to be part of this podcast now.
And she will be part of this podcast.
I ain't replacing anybody.
A little FOMO, because we've been doing such a good job. And one of the things that we pulled off for you today is we are here at the Museum of the Future with the Hackers Conference. And joined with me today is our first guest, first of many, and you'll see, Amar, CEO of Tashi. Amar, how are you doing today?
Fantastic. Loving the energy. I'm based in Singapore. I'm in Dubai for this whole week.
Yeah?
This place is on fire.
Yeah?
Yeah,
It's been
All right. So fun fact, I've known Amar for, I think, like 10 years.
Yeah.
And I've known him from before our crypto days.
Oh, wow.
Such a coincidence. Like we just reconvened at a crypto conference and I was like, what are you doing in crypto?
Yeah, literally, she was like, you need to come on the show. Like,
Yeah.
I mean, how many times have you come to Dubai then? Like,
I've been to Dubai like more than 10 times. I've been
Okay.
coming here I'm from India originally.
right.
And as you can tell, like Dubai is in some ways mini India.
Yeah.
So there's no way that you're an Indian and you've never been here.
Yeah.
But I think now that it's the crypto capital of the world, I come here a lot more.
Oh, awesome. So tell us a little bit about Tashi then. What are you working on over there?
So we've been building Tashi for over 2.5 years now.
Yeah.
Tashi is essentially a protocol that enables peer-to-peer networks. The idea for that is centralized servers have helped build the internet as we know it today, but they cost about $1 trillion to keep that ecosystem up. Peer-to-peer used to be the way the internet used to run. Until 10 years back, half the internet was peer-to-peer, but that went down because peer-to-peer didn't have trust. And the centralized servers made a good job of, improving their technology. So what we built at Tashi is we've added trust in peer-to-peer. So that essentially cuts down your server costs by almost half. So imagine for industries like gaming, which spends $50 billion a year on servers, that cost can go down by half. And that changes the unit economics for entire industries. That's what we're building.
That's insane. Amar, tell the audience a little bit about your background and how you got into crypto.
For sure. So I'm from Delhi. I've started my life in finance, doing investment banking, consulting, all the usual stuff. Then I got into Web 2 in the startup side of things moving in the investment world. So I joined a Malaysian fund, helped them do acquisitions in Singapore, moved to Singapore over 10 years back. Then I kind of went into the venture building side of things because it's a lot more fun building stuff. So set up startups across Indonesia, Philippines, Thailand, China, scale those. And then was with more later stage companies because I wanted to understand what it takes to go from 0 to 1. So I was with Uber and Grab for a few years. And then since 2020, I've been an entrepreneur, started life in a Web 2 startup, which was a freelancer marketplace. And my friends introduced me to NFTs. And I was like, this is cool, but it seems like, just all the financial side of things. But I'm someone who likes to read and understand things a lot. So I went deep into the world, read all like the technical books, everything from like Sovereign Individual, which kind of starts the theme of decentralization and the future of the world 500 years from now, to like Bitcoin Standard, which talks about why Bitcoin is what it is. And I started getting the ethos of why people are like committing their lives behind it. So I converted my startup into a Web3 freelancer marketplace, and I've been in this space ever since.
So do you still have that startup, the Web3 freelancer?
That one, no. So it became more of a services business. So I allowed the team to run that. So my goal was to build something which is more productized and we can kind of scale.
So tell us the start of Tashi then. So you started off with this Web3 services platform. Was Tashi more of like a natural part of that growth for you personally?
For me, for sure. So I was kind of like in 2022 as this startup, like I'd been doing that for over 2 years and was growing. We were doing about 100,000 monthly GM. We had a fairly small
What's
team.
GM? What?
Gross margin. So your revenue is kind of what you earn as a percentage, but the total proceeds that the startup was generating.
Okay.
And we had a small team, so we were doing okay. But I realized that I wanted to build the Upwork for Web3. And I realized why that would be really hard and that was not going to happen. And I know one of my co-founders, Jay, who lives in Singapore with me. He's like a guy who everyone in the world knows. This has
Jay's
happened
a
to me.
legend.
Jay's
We
a
see him
legend.
sitting
He's
there.
right there.
He's right
Like
there.
it's happened to me like 5 times within the last 1 week. He has the best parties in Singapore. Like I get stopped and people tell us, dude, I'm going to take you to a party in Singapore. And they say it to him to his face
Yeah.
Oh,
without
no.
knowing who he is.
Yeah.
So I'd known him for a number of years in Singapore, and he had known my third co-founder, Ken, for a long time. So Ken was a founding member at Hedera Hashgraph. So he's been a deep tech guy for 20 years,
Wow.
real expertise in cryptography, building really cool stuff. So he called up Jay with a business idea, and Jay called me up as the business guy who could come in and build it and convert it into a business.
That's
So
amazing.
that's how Tashi kind
Yes.
of came together.
And what does Tashi mean?
So Tashi is actually a Tibetan word, which means
A
good
what
fortune.
word?
Tibetan.
What is Tibetan?
Oh, Tibet, you know the country? Tibet.
Oh, okay.
So,
I heard
yeah.
that. I was like, what?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah.
So it's a word from the Tibetan language,
Okay.
and it means good fortune.
Okay.
And the whole idea is that the more good you do for society, the more good comes to you.
Cool.
I have one more
Like
question.
karma, like positive
Exactly.
karma.
That is a good name, actually. I have one more question. You said you visited Dubai like 10 times. So do you think it'll be your 11th or 12th time where you decide to move here full time?
Possible. I don't know how many more times will it be 11, 12, or 13,
Yeah.
because I'm pretty sure I'll be here this year as well.
Yeah.
But for sure, I think like it's seeming more and more likely that I'll move here.
I mean,
But-
it's insane. It's like such a Web3 hub, right?
Yeah.
Like
It's-
you're doing good business here.
It's insane. Like because when you just look at the growth trajectory, right?
Yeah.
And I was asking my brother is in the real estate line, and I was asking him like, because when I came here last, I could see like construction was happening, but it's still going on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this was like to me a fun fact in some ways that in the last 3 years, Dubai's population has gone from 2.2 million to 3.8 million,
Yeah.
Yeah.
which is insane. That's almost like a 50% plus jump.
Trust me, I suffer every day in traffic.
Yeah.
But you get the pros and cons of the growth, right?
You do.
And I think they have a plan to get to 10 million people in the next 10 years.
Yeah.
Which other city do you
I
Where
don't
is
know
it
see
where they're
gonna
going to put
go?
them, but they'll be here. Yeah.
They know how to build stuff, right?
Oh.
So
Yeah.
I am sure they'll figure it out. Like it's
Yeah.
part of like, I'd
Yeah.
say there'll be some growing pains of traffic, but you know, like Jakarta is an amazing city. People live like lives perfectly well there. So I think when you're part of something that's growing, that's a lot better than when you're kind of in a stagnant place.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, especially like if you're in tech, Web3, you're an entrepreneur, you're in the stage of life, like you want that stuff.
100%.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay, wait. So when we met in Paris, of course, you know, we're the same tribe. So can you do a shout out to Luna PR in Punjabi? Because last time I put you on the story and I never saved that. So please, Sat Sri Akal, what do you think about Luna PR?
And take it or leave it,
Yeah. And take it or leave it.
the podcast.
Of course.
In Punjabi.
Yeah.
All right. So
We're putting you
I'll
on the
kind of-
spot here.
No, that's fine. So I think before I kind of go into that, I'll add some context for people so that
Yeah.
not everybody will understand what is Punjabi and the language. And like I'm wearing a turban on my head. So I'm Sikh by religion,
Okay.
which is like the third biggest religion in India. So 3% of Indians are Sikh. The religion kind of evolved from Hinduism. And the idea was that Hinduism had a lot of idol worship. And so Sikhism has 3 core principles: meditation. So you should meditate every day, earn an honest living, and do charity work, which is called seva.
Right.
And the way you greet people in Sikhism is the word Sat Sri Akal.
Sat Sri
Right.
Akal.
Oh,
So-
okay.
Sat means truth, and Akal means we're all about the same. So you're essentially saying that the truth in me is the same truth in you. So you're kind of like wishing each other by understanding that
That's
we're
really
the same.
beautiful.
Yeah.
So now I'll transition into my Punjabi because I can speak in Punjabi, but it's not the best. So I was like, let me add the context in
Okay.
English before I get in there. So Sat Sri Akal, everyone. I am really glad that I'm here in this place. ਤੇ Luna PR ਤੇ Take It or Leave It ਦੋਨੋਂ ਬੜੀ ਚੰਗੇ ਕੰਪਨੀਆਂ ਹੈਗੀਆਂ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਨਿਕਿਤਾ ਨੂੰ ਕਦੋਂ ਤੇ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਇਹ ਕੁੜੀ ਨੇ ਕ੍ਰਿਪਟੋ ਤੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਧਮਾਲ ਕਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਇਹ ਤੇ ਜਵਾਨ ਜੇ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਹੈ ਜੇ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਪੁੱਛਦਾ ਪਿਆ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਇਹਦਾ ਫਿਊਚਰ ਬੜਾ ਬ੍ਰਾਈਟ ਹੈਗਾ ਤੇ ਦੋਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਧਿਆਨ ਰੱਖਣਾ ਅਗਰ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਕੋਈ ਕੰਪਨੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ ਤੇ Luna PR ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਨਾ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਟੂ ਦ ਮੂਨ ਪੱਕਾ ਤੇ ਜਦੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਤੋਂ ਕੁਝ ਪਤਾਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ ਤੇ Take It ਤੇ Leave It ਤੇ ਆਓ ਤੇ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗੇਗਾ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਹੀ ਪੋਡਕਾਸਟ ਹੈ ਇਹ all in podcast ਤੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਜਾਣੇ ਵਾਲਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ 2 ਸਾਲ ਦੇ ਬਾਅਦ ਦੇਖੋਗੇ ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਫੋਨ ਕਰਨਾ ਪਏਗਾ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕਿ ਭਈਆ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲਾ ਦਿਓ ਪੋਡਕਾਸਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਏंगे तो ਹਲੇ ਚਾਂਸ ਹੈਗਾ ਨया ਪੋਡਕਾਸਟ ਹੈ but top class so I'm very glad I'm here and thank you so much ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ
That's a
ਅਕਾਲ
wrap.
Yay.
Amazing.
We're gonna put subtitles on
Yeah,
this
I
at the
want to
bottom.
know what you said.
Yeah.
I hope it was good
Well,
stuff.
Yeah.
before you wrap it up, I have one question back to Tashi. Where are you going? What phase are you in right now? Why are you here at the conferences? What are you looking for? And where are you going?
So we started as a deep tech company. So for the first 2 years of the company, we were like pretty much in stealth mode. And like my co-founders put in a lot of money to build the core tech out because we really believe that this is going to really change the future. After 2 years of building the tech, we kind of started doing go-to-market. We have 50 games we partnered with. We're doing 100,000 annual revenue. So we started doing a public round.
Can I ask you something before you talk about the public round? Are you trying to partner with games or like game developers, publishers?
With anyone
know.
that runs real-time compute. So in the gaming world, it's game developers would be our clients.
Right.
The second big industry we're targeting is IoT. So anything that requires machine-to-machine coordination,
Yeah.
our tech makes that a lot more faster,
Okay.
efficient, and cheaper. So that's actually where our first revenue has come from, is licensing our core tech.
And have you started making revenue on that?
Yep.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
That's
Wow.
like that's 80% of the job.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Right? Like you're making revenue. So many companies, they come in looking for funding and they're not making revenue.
With a
So
half, half a pitch deck.
yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. So have you received funding?
So we are right now doing our seed round. It's a 2 million round being led by Taisu Ventures and Blockchain Founders Fund.
Okay.
So we're already halfway through. When the lead investors
Shout
come
out
in,
Ali.
yeah, shout
and
out to Ali
Mansoor.
and Mansoor and Takashi-san from Taisu. But Ali and Mansoor are the best. They've helped connect us with a lot of funds. And one of the reasons we're here is because of that. They have helped meet a lot of folks. We did a few events with them too. So we're looking to meet more investors because we're new in the scene. And because we're deep tech, it takes time for people to understand what we do.
Yeah.
So I think the goal for the conference is to meet investors
Right.
and for people to really understand that what we built is unique.
Right.
Because not everyone is technical. It took me a while, even though I'm the
Yeah.
co-founder of the company, a few months to fully grasp the
Yeah.
value of what we built.
I feel like I'm still trying to like digest it as well.
Exactly. So
So
And-
who are your competitors?
I think across industries they're different. So one core thing that we built is our own consensus protocol. So the competitors for that are like other protocols that have built their own consensus. Like you have Tendermint and Comet BFT and so that. And we're like orders of magnitude faster than all of them. So we kind of blow
so
everyone
who
out of the
would
water.
be? You said Comet would be your competitor.
Comet BFT.
Like
So
that's your competitor.
if somebody needs consensus, then that's
Yeah.
kind of what our competition
Okay.
will look like. But then we have industry focused competition because then when we sell to companies, then they're like, what do I use?
Yeah.
And there, like in the gaming world, for example, it's AWS.
Yeah.
So anyone that has centralized servers, Google Cloud,
Yeah.
all those guys are our competition
Okay. So you're raising 2 million in your series
in our
your
seed round.
seed round. Okay. And what have you raised so far?
1 million is in the bank.
In the pre-seed or in the seed?
No, so our pre-seed was my co-founders put in 2.5 million
Okay.
for the first 2 years to build the company.
That's the best way to do it. Honestly, like invest in yourself first,
Yeah.
right?
Exactly.
And what's your
If you
what
have the funds.
valuation?
Sorry?
What valuation are you raising at? I feel like I'm on Shark Tank right
I
now.
know, right? Like, what's the valuation?
Yeah.
20 million.
Okay.
Yeah. So we
Cool.
can, yeah. I was supposed to be on Crypto Nights as well, but I heard that she's pretty brutal on the show. So I decided that it's better to be like this.
I was not Ali
I
from
know, I know. I
Blockchain
was just-
Founders Fund
Yeah.
was literally
Yeah.
like on the show going,
This is a
you
scam.
come in, you wear a suit, get out of here.
Yeah.
You're a scam. Don't talk to me.
Oh my
What
god.
the hell is this valuation? I was like, oh my gosh, Ali, like who's this person?
Wow.
So this guy is pretty brutal, but we're glad that we've gotten his money because that means he's done a thorough DD on us.
100%.
So it's like you can know that he's not someone who puts in money without
yeah.
really knowing where the value is.
100%. Cool. You know what? We need to do something together strategically.
For sure.
Yeah, strategically work with us.
We should. I
Yeah.
think so. Like
You-
you
you-
know the world much better than we do
You
when it
keep
comes to
saying
crypto.
that we're too expensive and you don't even know.
That's a very good point.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that we can do something strategic.
Okay.
Are we witnessing a live deal here?
Yes.
It seems like. There we go.
Oh, there we go.
Yes.
It's done.
Tashi meets Luna PR.
Technically,
To
it's
the
first.
moon. Yes.
Yes.
All right.
This is how deals are done.
Yeah.
Oh, 100%. Like
Yeah.
it's the small rooms, like not the big parties.
Yeah. Okay, so where are you going from here?
We have a meeting with some investors today,
Yeah.
and then we'll be at Karate Combat tonight. So if
I'm
someone
going to be there.
Oh, wow. There we go. See, we're already crossing
Yeah.
paths
There you go.
everywhere.
Yeah.
And we'll continue our chat, and we're super excited that we
Okay,
were
so when I
invited.
was asking where are you going from here, I didn't mean like physically where are you going. I mean like where's
okay.
Tashi going from here? But thank you for
Let's go
that.
that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's come back to Tashi now, less about me. But we are kind of launching our Deepin because our Deepin supports the peer-to-peer network.
Right.
So we're in AlphaNet for that. So
You're
we'll be
launching your Deepin.
Yep.
Where?
Yeah.
Okay, when did Deepin come in here?
So I was trying to keep it simple.
What's the
so I know
Deepin
that-
part?
So basically, the peer-to-peer is the core business, our core technology. But with peer-to-peer, one of the reasons it went down was because you need 99.99% uptime, which the cloud guys offer. So to be able to have that, we're building our own Deepin layer that supports having the same level of uptime. So it's kind of like your decentralized cloud services on top of the peer-to-peer network, which makes it a holistic decentralized network that everyone can compare with all the big cloud guys.
Got it. Got it.
Awesome.
Cool.
So the
Really-
P2P side is more of the B2B business where we contract with companies. The Deepin side is where the crypto side comes in. So we'll be going into testnet, then launch our token. So all the fun crypto stuff will start coming in there.
That's awesome.
That's really cool.
Yusuf, I think we need to do a fire round with him.
Yeah.
And you
We
have
need
to
to do,
like
like, an
answer really
hour.
quick.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Let's do it.
Okay, you think of some, I'll think of some.
Do you have a token and when is it launching?
Our
That's
token
not a
will.
fire. That's not a fire. Okay.
Yeah. I'll answer that
Fire
one. So we can-
questions.
A fire is like Deepin or RWA.
Oh, okay.
But yeah,
I'm sorry.
what do you have a token and when is it launching? That was a good
Our
question.
token will be called Tashi and it'll launch in the next couple of months.
Okay.
Next couple of months?
Crypto is funny. I would say 3 to 4 months is our plan. at
Okay,
Tashi.
cool.
In
cool.
crypto terms, that's like a year. That's a lot of
Yeah.
work. You can get a lot of
Yeah.
work done in 2
Yeah.
or 3 months.
Okay, fire round. Are you ready?
Yes.
RWA or Deepin?
Deepin all the way.
Dinner with Trump or Elon Musk?
Elon Musk.
Britney Spears or Christina Aguilera?
Britney Spears.
That had nothing to do with crypto.
Ethereum or Solana?
Solana. We're launching our token on Solana. So shout out to Solana Foundation and the
Okay.
team.
That's a biased answer, but we'll take it. Oh,
Singapore or Dubai?
Dubai. I have
let's
to say.
go. Okay, we've closed 2 things. We've closed a deal between you guys, and now you're moving here. One more:
Yeah.
Ferrari or Lamborghini?
You guys are in like some mind meld is happening.
I was
over there.
literally going to say
Yeah.
that.
Wow. Okay, so what's the
No, Lamborghini or Tesla?
Yeah.
Lamborghini?
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, like I'm all for like sustainability, etc. But a Lamborghini, come on.
You
Fair
can
enough.
match your turban to the Lamborghini.
Yeah.
Someone else has done that, and I think like it's
I've
like
seen
cliche.
this guy who
I
has
know
like
that guy,
7
Ruben
cars.
Singh.
Yes,
Yeah,
he
yeah, in the
has like
UK.
7 cars, and he matches his turban to his cars.
All
I
the
was like,
roles.
you need
Yes.
to do that. I'm dead.
Yeah, the Sikh community is small. Like everyone knows everyone.
Yeah, that's so funny.
Cool.
Okay, cool. Thank you so much. That was so
Thank
much
you for
fun.
coming on. Yeah.
Thanks a lot. This was fantastic.
right.
I'm looking forward to the full episode. Like I'm imagining like this is half time and this was so much fun.
Yeah.
I can't wait to if we do a full one at some point. What that could
Oh,
be.
yeah.
Yeah,
absolutely.
for sure.
Yeah.
My next Dubai trip. See, you're convincing me to come. That's at least
Yeah.
we'll have to
There
do.
you go.
Yeah,
Yeah.
for sure.
Cool.
All right,
Amar, thanks for coming on.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for your
Take
time.
care.
And yeah, best
Yeah.
of luck on
Speak
Tashi.
soon. Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Good
Thank
luck.
you, everyone.
See you guys. We'll see you on the next one.
Thank you. Thank you.